And we're continuing AKULA saga, which is video number 14, part number 3 of the TPU. Interesting story. We have working device of AKULA, but it's not really. The concept of Stephen Mark's TPU was popular a long time, and there was a number of people who built that TPU prior to AKULA. AKULA became popular because he was able to build a device over 1 kilowatt of power with no battery and no power supply of any kind. Then we have had a transition of him experimenting with the TPU. The question was why? Well, one of the reasons could be buying a time while he's trying to protect his intellectual property and dealing with some problems of that 1 kilowatt device, which was the geopositioning dependency. And it was a quite big problem. So what that you have a working device if it works only in one place at a time? And in video number 12, part number 2, AKULA attempt to present a schematic, a concept of the 4-channel device with the 4 wire windings connected to the 4 channels, where each of the 2 channels out of 4 were frequency and phase dependent. He presented a very nice video how to wind it, and then he showed that it doesn't work. Then he made another video, which is actually in the same set of the video. It's a compilation of them. So you're gonna find it in my channel. And he shows that different kind of winding and the reaction of the different kind of winding versus the frequency. Now we see the video that is a complete drop of his concept, but actually is repeated of what others did prior to him, which is good, because he is one of many who confirm the device works. So if we have a doubt, what doubts would we have? Well, the doubts would be that in order to find if the device is not affected by the electromagnetic signal level from ambient surrounding, you gotta put it to an anechoic chamber or to Faraday cage and find if it works. Because one of the ways that device may fool others is simply deliver a signal from the generator in near field, even in a far field, with the significant power that will resonate with the frequency of the resonance of the structure. One thing that is very much positive that makes that device pretty much legit is that you don't see dependency of the brightness of the LEDs when you move the device around. We're gonna follow that concept and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. And this is Wesley Stevep, STIVEP 1 on YouTube.